What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. My name is Kasey Freeman, and thank you guys so much for watching my channel. In today's video, we're just gonna get straight into it because I'm super happy, super pumped, super excited. I just wanted to let you guys in on some things I have been going through with trying to lose weight. So this is like a weight loss video slash journey. And so I've been trying some different things over the last couple of months, and most of it hasn't really worked out, but I'm here today to announce that I have officially lost 5 pounds of body fat in a week and a half. And I'm gonna tell you how. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because why are you not? And then also like this video if you wanna see more. So, a few months ago, like right before my birthday, I was like, I want to be adamant on losing weight, and I want to transform my body into the way I want it to be. And I was like, I'm gonna actively try to lose weight. I've already been like active, like I work out like 3 to 4 times a week. Probably more than likely it's just because like it helps me like reduce stress. So I already like worked out for like 45 minutes to an hour every day, but I was not being disciplined with my eating. So I obviously had to change my eating habits. So one of the first ways I decided to do that was go to this place called the NutriShop. Here in Nashville, there are like multiple locations, but anyway, so I went to the NutriShop and I would start purchasing their pre-made meals. Now it counted out your macros and it did everything. It had an in-body scan. And then they also had a nutritionist or someone there to help you calculate your macros, like how much protein you should be eating, how many carbs, and your fats that you should be eating. So I got all that taken care of. And then I would honestly just buy my meals from them, because it would be easier to just count my macros that way than learning how to do it myself. So I thought so. And like cooking, because like cooking and like weighing out your macros is like super hard for me, so I'm still working on that. But so I did that for a while, and I was just very stagnant. Like my weight would fluctuate for a while, and it would go down, then it would like increase a lot, and then it would stay steady, and I just wasn't really seeing the results that I wanted to see. But the meals were good, honestly. I really liked them like a whole lot. But yeah, it didn't help me lose weight. But the NutriShop did, but their meals did not. So I was there with my guy, and my guy basically told me, he was like, stop eating our meals because I feel like it's giving you more carbs and fats than what you need. And he said, just ramp up your protein. And he said, you actually are gonna have to start cooking. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I used to meal prep, but then I stopped because like I hated eating the same things like every day, and I was like a very boring like meal prepper. So I was like, oh, I'm so busy. Like Sundays would be my meal prep day, but now that I'm in real estate, like that's also my work day, so I never really felt like meal prepping. So it was just like whatever. So my dad actually like made some meals for me. Shout out to my dad. For like the first couple of days, and he was like, eat this, and he brought me like breakfast, lunch, and dinner for like 2 days. And so I was like, okay, cool, with like my protein shakes and everything, like and my snack, like everything. He put everything in my lunchbox and packed it, and I was like, okay, so cool. And so he basically had egg whites, turkey bacon, something else. Egg whites and turkey bacon for sure for breakfast. One of those protein shakes that you can get from anywhere. They're like a Shamrock protein shake with like 30 grams of protein in it. And then for lunch, it was rotisserie chicken and green beans. And for dinner, it was the same. So I actually ate, I have had so much protein over the last week and a half. And so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna weigh myself. I'm gonna go get an in-body scan done through the NutriShop. And I was like, I am going to see what it says, and I'll kind of show you like a generic thing like over here of what the in-body scan will weigh or measure. And not only will it measure your weight, but it measures your body mass, your body fat, and your muscle mass. And it also measures how much like muscle you have per arm, per leg, and your water level. And so after like a week and a half, I'm like, you know what? Like, I've been eating nothing but chicken, green beans, turkey bacon, turkey sausage, protein shakes. Like literally it was getting so annoying. And the only way that I could make it different was like, I would do barbecue sauce, buffalo sauce, rotisserie chicken, grilled chicken, sauteed chicken, buffalo sauce, lemon pepper chicken. Today I'm gonna do like a garlic rosemary chicken. So I've had different flavors of chicken, but I was so chickened out. But I lost 4.8 like pounds of fat, body fat, doing it. And I wasn't working out any more than I already was. Like I was just doing the same thing in the gym. And yeah, so here I did the 4.8 pounds of fat. Golly. So like my next thing is gonna still stick with my meal plan. Today I'm gonna have baked chicken, or this week I'm gonna have baked chicken. But I went to this like workout class on Saturday with my best friend Danielle. And it's called Trap Nashville. And it was this outdoor insane workout. Shout out to Trap Nashville, or Trap Camp at Trap Nashville. And it was tough, but I signed up for like the monthly membership to do 3 workouts with her every week. And so I am excited because that's gonna take my exercise to the next level. That's what I did to lose 5 pounds of body fat, and that's what I'm gonna do moving forward, is continuing to do my meal plan the way it was and add in different types of workouts so that my body can experience something different. Honestly, some pitfalls for my diet was like my cheat days. My cheat days would be like 2 days, and so I want to make sure that it's like a meal instead of like a whole day. Meaning I would like eat multiple things that I knew I should not be eating during the day, but it would last for 2 days versus like one cheat meal. So that's one thing that I want to work on like in the upcoming weeks. So I definitely look forward to showing y'all my results and seeing where we go, because I'm going to London this year, and the Bahamas this year, and Dubai this year, and I'm gonna be so snatched. And I'm so excited. So yeah, I just wanted to say officially that this is gonna be a start to my weight loss journey, and I'm super excited to be bringing y'all along with me here on this channel. And if you want to do a weight loss journey with me as some accountability, I'm not going to provide anything for you, but definitely accountability, I'll do that. If you want that, head over to my Instagram at the Kasey Freeman and give me a follow and send me a message letting me know. Okay, well, I'll see you in my next video, and especially my next weight loss journey video. Thanks. Bye, guys. Bye.